Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today got here the Daban Crossbone Gundam, and thankfully I purchased it from Hobby Wang, and it came very fast, and I bought it around 900 pesos only. So I was about to buy the Bandai version, but since I'm in a tight budget, thankfully Daban issued this knockoff version for this Crossbone Gundam. So there we go. Let's check this kit out and let's see what this Daban model Crossbone Gundam has to offer us collectors. Fangen wir an, los geht's. So there we go. We got this Crossbone Gundam full cloth. So this is the Crossbone one, and there we go. We got to see the very nice box art, same with the Bandai version. So there's the Crossbone Gundam with the extra armaments and armor, which is the cloak, which is called the full cloth, and we got this very massive crossbow, which is very good. Okay, so let's check the side of the box here. So this is really a Bandai copy. So there we go. We can see the Bandai style of print here. So we got to see this full cloth crossbone face, which is very angst. I really like the appearance of this. Then the fully armed crossbone here. We got the crossbows and the rapier here, beam rapier, something like that. So we got the gimmicks, mechanisms, and this core fighter, and there we go, the straight build. And good thing there are English translation there. Okay, so there we go. We got to see here the full cloth other features here: front view, the rear view, and the gimmicks for the weapons and the kit. Okay, so if we open the box here, okay, let's open the box. We'll see. Okay, in this other side, the back of the box here, we can see the full cloth full feature, the front view feature here. Okay, so there we go. Very nice. There, Crossbone X1 full cloth. Okay, so let's check the contents. So we got the instruction manual. So this is the Daban 6644/100 scale. So let's review the manual. So there we go. We got parts here, the parts list, and these are written in Japanese, so I cannot read those. And there we go. There are some parts that will not be used, so it's marked with X. And there we go. We got to see those parts here. And yeah, there's this pilot, I think, but I don't know him, sorry. And there are the assembling processes. For me, this is a bit hard because there are so many small parts for this kit. So I hope I will not miss or lose pieces here, since it's very small. There are so small parts, and I hope there are no fitting issues with this kit, since this is a knockoff compared with the Bandai, which is very easy to build. Okay, so there we go. We got to see those assembling process. So this is a bit complicated, a bit. So this for the intermediate builders. Okay, so let's go with the parts. So we got this black parts here. There we go, for the inner frame. And we got this yellow parts, red parts, and black parts for the inner frame and accessories and accents. Then we got this full cloth materials here, the cloak for the armor. Then we got those yellow pieces, white pieces, and this clear pink beam effect parts. So we got so many beam effect parts here. Okay, and we got this white parts for the armor pieces. Then we got the rapier parts, but I think the rapier parts is a bit discolorated compared with the pure white here. And there we got this black parts for the inner frame and for the hands, okay, with the articulated hands. And we got the shield, the beam shield effect. So the beam shield here is really, yep, a bit thin and yeah, light and thin. Okay, so let's open this pieces here, these packages, so we can review the runners. Yep. Finally, full plot. Okay, so let's review the plastic quality. So yeah, obviously this is a bootleg plastic. I can feel this is not the same with the Bandai quality, since this is the band. So I might say the band plastic quality is now inferior compared with the newly released bootleg companies like the Huanying and so many bootleg companies like the JMS. So that's superior compared with the Daban. So we got here the runner K for this purple purplish part for the cloak. Then underneath it is this red one. So this is runner L. Okay, so we got another red one for runner C. So this for the feet. We got this yellow pieces here for runner M. For gray parts, we got this runner I. So there for the inner frame parts. For the chain here, we got chains like that. So let's go with this beam saber effect parts. We got for the sword or the beam saber. This one for the knuckles. This one for the rapier. And we got here for the this scimitar. Okay, pirate scimitar. And we got this black parts runner G for the hands. Okay, so we got runner O here for this one for the gun, or the what they call this, the crossbow. So we got here purple for runner B. Then we got here runner F, two sets of runner F for inner frame parts. Then we got this runner H for the inner frame parts again. Then we got here white runners for this one for the weapons. Okay, white parts with yellow parts, runner A. So this, be careful with those pieces here. It's very tiny like that. Then we got this runner B for armor pieces, white parts, and runner N for this weaponry parts with some discoloration in white. Okay, so there's a cross bone mark there, and the skull sculpt there. Also this one, there's a skull there, very nice. And we got this separate piece, I think this one for the elbows. Okay, so runner J. Yep. And we got wires here. I don't know what's the purpose of this wire. I think for some shooting effect parts. So there we go. We got this wires. Got this shield, beam shield, and we got this stickers. Yeah, foil stickers. We got this. Ooh, my favorite, dry transfer. So we got dry transfer decals, but I wish it's or slide, but it's okay. It's a dry transfer one, and yeah, the dry transfer decals is really cool. As you can see, let's open this shit. Where's my Caesar? Yes. Check the logo. Yeah, it's very nice. Skull heart. I really like the symbol. Yeah, this is very cool. I might use it with the death sight. Very cool. It's so sexy. And there we go. We got to see this clear stickers. Yeah, these are clear stickers. And we got foil stickers there. I hope this will not be defective. Okay. So there we go. See you next time on the finished build. Thank you for watching this unbox review of the Crossbone Gundam. See you next time.